Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. In previous class, you have learned the memory poem My Robot, right? Children, now I am going to teach you how to sing a song for this memory poem. Okay, children, shall we begin to sing? My Robot. I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walks along, watch now how it walks along. This center line you have to sing twice a time. Okay, shall we start from first? I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walks along, watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes all, watch now how it welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Okay, is it easy, children? Okay, let us sing the two more stanza also. It has wheels go front and back, front and back, front and back. Watch now how it keeps the sack, watch now how it keeps the sack in every little rag. Never it takes food and rest, food and rest, food and rest. Watch now how it works its best, watch now how it works its best with all same just. Okay, children, did you enjoy this song? Okay. Children, in today's class, we are going to learn the book exercise. That means our first poem book back exercise. Shall we move on, children? In previous class, you have learned meanings, right? So I hope you are thorough with this. Okay, once again, let's recall the meanings. First one is strong. Strong means powerful, strong, powerful. Watch, look at or observe attentively. Smart, fashionable. Rack, shelf or stand. Just great interest. A next Roman letter is match the rhyming words. Here we have some rhyming words. We are going to match the correct rhyming words. First, what is rhyming words? Yes, you all know very well. A word ends with the same sounds. Okay. First one is tall. Here, what is the answer? Yes, tall, hall, song, along, rack, sack, rest, best. So the two words are ends with same sounds. So these are the rhyming words from this poem. The next one is fill in the blanks. I have a robot, big and strong. Yes, I have a robot, big and strong. Say strong spelling. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Second one. I have a robot, smart and tall. Say smart spelling, children. S-M-A-R-T. Smart. Third one. It keeps the sack in every little rack. Say rack spelling. R-A-C-K. Rack. Fourth one. It never takes food and rest. What is the answer? Food and rest. Say food spelling. F-O-O-D. Food. Rest. R-E-S-T. Rest. Next we have answer the question. First question. What does it sing? Answer is it sings a nice rhyming song. It sings a nice rhyming song. Second question. How do the wheels go? Answer is the wheels go front and back. The wheels go front and back. Third one. Does it work its best? Yes, It works its best. Yes, it works its best. Finally, fourth question. How does it welcomes all? It welcomes all with a nice greeting call. It welcomes all with a nice greeting call. Children, now let us know the grammar part, that is common noun and proper noun. Okay, what is common noun? Yes, here we have three important points. Okay, the naming word girl can be used for any girl. So it is a common noun. If a naming word denotes a person in general, it is common noun. Here the naming word girl can be used for any girl. Okay, so it is a common noun. It can be any girl like Maga, Mogana. Proper noun means they have name. Common noun means they do not have name. Here we have some examples for common noun. City, king, animal, pen, book, birds, fruit and game. Now what is proper noun? The naming word Netra is used for a particular girl. So it is a proper noun. If a naming word denotes a
Who is
person
he?
in particular,
Yes, he is
it
an actor
proper noun.
Vijay. Yes, so a naming word denotes a particular person. So it is a proper noun. So we can't denote any other person as a Vijay. So Vijay is a particular name. So this is proper noun. Here we have examples for proper noun, that is Miss Jayalalitha and Chennai and English book. So these examples are have name, so these are called proper noun. Now we have some practice.
Circle the pictures that denotes person or things in common. So here we have 8 pictures. So we are going to circle the common noun only. First one is girl. Is it common noun or proper noun, children? Yes, it's a common noun. It is a common for all girls. So girl is a common noun. Then puja. Puja is a denotes a particular girl. So it's not a common word, it's a proper noun. So you should not circle this one. Third, book. Book is a common or proper? Yes, it's a common. Books means it's common for all books. They did not mention any book's name here. So it's a common noun. So you have to circle the book. Then English book. What book this one? English book. So they mention English here. So it denotes particular book. So it's a proper noun. So you should not circle this. Next one is tree. So what tree this is? Yeah, they did not mention any name here. So it is a common for all the tree. So it denotes all the tree. So it is a common noun. Then mango tree. Mango tree. So they mention mango here. So it is a mango tree. It denotes the particular tree. So it's a proper noun. Then boy, it's a common noun. Okay, it can be any boy. It denotes any boy. So it's a common noun. Then Arun, it denotes only the particular boy. So this is a proper noun. So what are the common nouns here? Girl, book, tree, boy. Circle the picture that denotes person or things in particular. Raju. Raju is a one boy name. So it denotes a particular boy. So this is a proper noun. You have to circle the Raju picture. Then mango. This is also denotes a particular fruit. That is mango. So this is also proper noun. Then doctor. So doctor is a common word. So it denotes all the doctor. So it is a common noun. So this is not a proper noun. Then book. Okay, what book this is? Yeah, they did not mention anything. So it is common for all the book. This is not a proper noun. Then animal. Animal also, it can be any animal. So This is also not a proper noun. Then soldier. Soldier also is common for all soldiers. So this is also not proper noun. It's a common noun. So what are the proper nouns here? Only Raju and mango. Then we have color the common noun green and proper noun blue. Now I am going to use green color for common noun and blue color for proper noun. What is first one? Gracie. Gracie is a particular girl name. So it's a proper noun. So I am going to use sky blue for this. Then second one is fruit. So it denotes all the fruits. It can be any fruits. So it's a common. So it's a common noun. So I am going to use green color for this. Then what is third one? Yes, earth. So it denotes a particular place. So I am using sky blue color. Okay, children. Then what is fourth one? Onion. Onion is a common noun. So I am using green color. Then peacock also common noun. So I am coloring with green. Then train also common word. It can be any train. Then ball also common noun. It denotes any balls. Then Vellore is a place that denote a particular place. So it's not a common noun, it's a proper noun. So I am using blue color. Then planet. This is also common noun. So it can be any planet. So I am using green color. Then grapes. This is also common noun. So I am coloring with green color.
Children, I hope you have understood today's class.
Gracie, earth,
Today's
yellow.
your assignment is
Three
write
words
book
are
exercise one time and send it to
what?
me. We will meet you in the
proper
next
noun.
class.
Then rest of the
Thank
words,
you.
common words.